Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel your roadside assistance coverage on Driver Ed. Let's get started. If you would like to cancel your roadside assistance coverage, you may do so from within your driversed.com account at any time. Make sure you're signed in to the driversed.com account that the subscription is linked to. If you have a parent account, you'll need to sign in to the student account to cancel. Once signed in to the student account, click on the profile button in the top right. This is a circle with your first initial and a small down arrow. In the profile menu, you should see a subscriptions block that shows when your monthly subscription renews and shows your Allstate Roadside Assistance member ID. Next to your number, click the More Info button. This will open the Allstate Roadside Assistance page where you can see more details, a button that says Call for Roadside Assistance, and a link beneath that button that says Manage My Subscription. Click Manage My Subscription. You will see a page with more of your subscription details. There's a big button that says Update Billing Info, and beneath that a link that says Cancel this subscription. A window will appear that tells you more information about the benefits of roadside assistance. If you've changed your mind, select Keep My Coverage button. If you still wish to cancel, select the Cancel Anyway button. The window should refresh and return you to your course. You can verify that it's been canceled by navigating back to your profile settings. You should no longer see a subscription window. This means it's been canceled. Our driversed.com virtual assistant in the lower left-hand corner of our Help Center can also verify your roadside assistance subscription cancellation status if you are unsure. Just click on the chat bubble, give the account email for the subscription, and ask for the roadside subscription status. And you are done. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.